There is a big difference what you want to do and what you actually need to do. It does not matter whether I go and take advice from Tony Robbins, from Gary Vee, or from Rahul Bhatnagar. It depends on my actions. It entirely depends how I implement the things. Most of the times, and almost 99% of the cases, we do not do things what we actually need to do, but we do things what we want to do. Let's suppose someone needs to lose the weight, but he wants to have a burger, he wants to have a pizza, and he wants to have a donut. In this case, there is a higher probability that he will spend almost 4,000 rupees on these healthy food habits as compared to spending 2,000 rupees on a gym membership. Do think about people. This is a big loop. We got to convert our need to do's into our want to do's. Unless until we'll be wanting something to do from the bottom of my heart, then only I can do it with the utmost efficiency, utmost power, and utmost intensity. Think about it.